Listen, it's no surprise that Microsoft and SAP have been partnering together for many years to help drive our customers' digital transformation journeys. And this is just another big step with many more to come in the future. Scott, thank you for being here and for the great partnership.
No, thank you so much, Mohammed, for the opportunity to join you today and really talk about the exciting announcements that we're introducing at Sapphire this week. The SAP partnership is incredibly important to Microsoft.
Scott, just before the demo, we talked about how the journey to realizing value from AI, from what the potential is, requires you to both have valuable use cases, reliable data, but an in-context execution so the adoption actually takes off. And what really excites me about this announcement is we make the adoption of AI even more effortless to be able to drive that value back to the organization, enabling people to do more in the flow of the work that they do on a regular basis, whether they're in SAP applications or Microsoft 365, I believe will be game-changing from an end-user perspective. So Scott, that's what excites me about this. What excites you about this partnership?
Well, I think Microsoft and SAP are really committed to providing world-class solutions to help our joint customers solve some of their most fundamental business challenges. And today's announcement, I think, is a perfect example of this. And the integration of Joule and Microsoft Copilot brings together the power of generative AI to unlock greater employee productivity, and is really going to help enterprises accelerate customer-centric innovation in a seamless experience. The solution will interact intuitively, so users can find information and execute tasks without leaving the platform that they're already in. And since Microsoft Copilot is built on top of the same Azure AI platform that's available to all of you, this means that you're all going to benefit from the battle hardening that we've done to support tens of millions of users and organizations with AI around the world, including access to leading models like OpenAI's GPT-4o. And this week, we're also announcing the availability of SAP AI Core on Microsoft Azure, which includes Generative AI Hub as well as Joule.
Thank you, Scott. I personally can't wait to use some of these experiences when they become available later this year. And Scott, since we have you here, alongside a few thousand of our RISE customers here in the audience and many more online, what sort of innovation in Azure can they look forward to in their transformation?
Yes, we have a long history, obviously, of supporting some of the most complex SAP customer landscapes in the world. And I'm excited to share that our new MV3 M-Series 32 terabyte VMs are now available on Azure for our joint customers to start to use. We're working with SAP on certifying them for RISE, which is obviously going to be critical from some of our largest joint customers. And we're also excited to announce that an integral part of the BTP service we offer on Azure regions around the globe, and they're fully supported as part of that. And we just announced today our expansion into 6 more regions with our BTP services. So we have more than 12 regions now around the world that they're available. And we're adding SAP Gen AI Hub to 3 of those regions, empowering thousands of SAP customers to further supercharge their move to and expansion in the cloud, allowing them to build their own Gen AI-powered BTP apps close to their core business systems.
Great. So many exciting announcements. Scott, in closing, we heard from a few of our marquee customers this morning, but another one that we're super proud of is Microsoft running on SAP, and you're on this RISE journey yourself as well. So can you share a little bit with this audience here about your experiences both being a customer of RISE with SAP, as well as powering a lot of our customers, our mutual customers, on this journey as well?
Absolutely. We're so excited to be able to work closely with SAP, both to move our own systems at Microsoft for managing governance, risks, compliance to RISE, and really leverage the power of BTP. And obviously, we're also running thousands of customers on RISE on Azure, including organizations like Nestle, Standard Chartered Bank, and Hilti. And I'm really proud of how SAP and Microsoft teams really work deeply together to harness the learnings for performance, reliability, and security to build the best scalable and cost-optimized platform for RISE.
Awesome. Scott, thank you for coming, and I look forward to partnering with you even more deeply in my new role.
Thank you so much, Mohammed, and thank you, everyone. Have a great conference.